Hello, my name is Greg Fadig and I am an applications engineer at Maxim in the Automotive Business Unit. Today I'm going to be discussing the MAX25605. It is a 6-switch sequential LED controller. It enables sequential lighting animations in cars without the need for any software or microcontroller, reducing the system cost and speeding up development time. The animation is programmable with resistor, including the timing and sequence direction, as well as the number of LEDs and the number of switches, which makes it very flexible for any application. Today with me I have a couple of evaluation kits to demonstrate the performance of the IC. This first board here is a small form factor reference design just to show that the IC is capable of fitting into very compact solutions. This other board that I'll be demonstrating is our evaluation board, which is designed to make the evaluation of the IC very easy. It includes a 1.5 Hz oscillator, the MAX25611 LED driver, and two of the MAX25605 6-switch LED sequencers controlling 12 LEDs. Turning the board on, you can see that the 12 LEDs are sequenced up one at a time, and this timing is again programmed through resistors, so there's no software or microcontroller at all. If I toggle some of these switches here, then we can change the direction of the LEDs. So in this case, all of them are turning on, and then one by one they shut off. Additionally, there's the option of implementing a hazard light. So in this case, the sequence is masked and all the LEDs come on at the same time. In summary, the MAX25605, by eliminating the microcontroller and software development, enables shorter development time and lower cost for sequential animation lighting features. The evaluation kit and the IC are available. For more information, you can visit our website, www.maximintegrated.com. Thanks for watching.